Hey guys, so I'm at a red light right now. I'm gonna start making this video for you guys. Just real quick, kind of wanted to talk about what I'm doing to the car. I put in a K&N filter and did a milk jug delete. For anybody that doesn't know what a milk jug delete is, there's basically this resonator that sits inside of the filter on 2017 and older STIs and WRXs. Basically, people are taking them out or blocking them off to try and help with turbo sound and intake sound, because the resonators are supposed to help mute that sound, and there are people out there like me that want to have that sound. I love the turbo sound, the spooling, and the bypass valve. I love it. So basically what I did, I put the K&N filter in, did the milk jug delete just to kind of see if I could get that sound without getting an intake, and dropping $1,000 on an intake, because an intake itself is around $300 to $400, and the tuner is almost $700. Hello. So we're looking at $1,000. Cobb makes the intakes and the tuners for, it's just under $1,000. I think it's like $950 or $980, something of that extent. And to me, that's kind of ridiculous to spend that kind of money on sound, because I'm not really looking to do anything performance wise on this vehicle. I like it the way that it is from the factory, so I'm not trying to do anything crazy with it, but you know, I really want that sound. And if I were to do an intake by itself, I'd still need to get a tuner, because the computer will learn, but it'll only learn up to a certain extent. Just to be safe, I don't want to grenade my engine or turn it into a blowtorch. But whatever. So I wanted to make this video for you guys so that you guys can hear a difference. I do have an exhaust. Honestly, I'm not picking up much of a difference, maybe a tiny bit, but really not. Really not. I don't know what some of the sounds that I'm hearing. Some of these sounds, I am hearing some things, but I don't think that they're turbo, because I'll hear them when I'm not in anything, not in boost. I'm not like, I'm just kind of driving, and then like I'll hear it like, and then it'll stop. So I don't know what's happening there, but I'll see if you guys can hear something. I'm heading to the north end of town. It's 5, almost 6. It's 5:45, and traffic is usually terrible until about 6:30. So you know what? Let's go this way. if it's any different, it's very minute. Like, I could hear some of the stuff before. You could hear the turbos spooling before. Like the intake sound, that shh kind of sound, before. So it's like, let's see. Hello. My high beams suck. I need to get different ones. I got LED ones, and I guess they just don't sit in my housing correctly because they are awful. I don't remember what gear I was in to downshift to. So we'll just coast. We'll get really good gas mileage right now. And I understand I don't buy this car for gas mileage, but you know. And we'll keep on turning. Turning, turning. I guess whenever you're getting on it, I can hear like the bypass valve very slightly. Seems like a tight corner. I haven't actually like really taken this out and done anything with it. But no. Alright, so moral of the story, I don't think there's really much of a difference. So intake it is, I guess, whenever I decide to fork over money for it. Because it's kind of ridiculous that I have to do that to just get the sound. And I know there are intakes out there that say you don't need a tune, but there's kind of conflicting results with that. Honestly, I'd rather play it safe. I am looking to have this vehicle for a while, so anything that I can do to kind of help prolong the life would be nice. So, alright, we'll go back. I'll keep the video going though, even though y'all can't see me. I mean, it's so hard to tell. I don't think so. It's kind of disappointing. Ugh. And I'm like totally speeding, so I'm hoping that none of these cars that are coming at me are cops. Just saying. Hi, I'm back again. I just made a circle. There you go. I'm gonna stop the video just because I want my tunes. If there's as much as I like listening to my exhaust, I do like having music. So I'm gonna shut this off at the stoplight right here. And I'm sorry, Dad. He did tell me last time, he's like, don't do any vertical videos anymore. It's so hard to watch. So I'm sorry, Dad. This had to be a vertical video just because of how I have my phone set up in the car. So I do listen to you, but you know. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and go. That was kind of a bust. Sorry, y'all. Alright, I'll come back to y'all later with another video. Bye!